Welcome to WeezyTube. Today I'm going to show you how to migrate an existing Android application to androidX compatible. Actually, Android earlier used Android support libraries to build the applications, but now uh, we have to migrate to androidX, and which is very easy. It's just I'm going to show you. Let us open an old project of mine which was built on Android support platform, support library system, and we are going to migrate to androidX. Here I'm changing the compile SDK version to 29 and target SDK version to 29 too. And you can leave or you can change the minimum SDK version. It is all on you. I'm changing here to minimum SDK version to 19 because I will use some libraries in which the minimum SDK version 19 is required. Gradle is building. AndroidX is a major improvement to Android support library. As you can see here, we have used various Android libraries which are basically support libraries to develop our application. But androidX's major improvement towards this support library is provided by Jetpack. Now we will use androidX instead of using support libraries. Let us first see when the build is gonna finish. Since we have changed the target SDK version and compile SDK version to 29, so here you can see the Gradle sync which is being done downloads the required libraries, required SDK tools from website. So it will take some time depending on your internet connection. Mine is a little slow. You can forward the video if you want to skip this downloading part, but I don't think it will take much time. I think it's done. Now it will index the file and transforming all support libraries to androidX. No, it is not transforming. It is just simple building. We will click on this refactor option, just right of analyze option, refactor, and we have to go to this option, migrate to AppCompact. migrate to androidX, and make sure you take the backup of the project, because maybe there will some error. So please remember to back up your the project file. So let us migrate. Click on migrate to androidX, and the error is saying that the Gradle plugin version in your project build.gradle Gradle file needs to be set up to at least 3.2.0 in order to migrate to androidX. So let us go to project file, and here is 3.1.2, and the available is 3.5.3. Let us change to 3.2.2, and now it will, I think, download the latest Gradle file. Could not find 3.2. Okay, latest 3.5.3. Let us 3.5.3. Click on try again, and it will download the latest Gradle. Actually, we previously we have entered maybe wrong version code, and now it is downloading the Gradle. It will take some time to download the Gradle. Minimum supported Gradle version is 5.4.1. Current version is 4.4. Fix Gradle wrapper. There are various steps to follow depending on your project structure and the dependency and the libraries you have used in your project. That's why it is taking time. Some days ago, I migrated another project which takes around 2 or 3 minutes to migrate into androidX. Since Gradle is required, so we must have to follow the steps our Android Studio telling. I think the process is complete, and the last step is being done here. Okay, now the Gradle has been downloaded and connected successfully. Now refactor migrate to androidX, and it is saying that you must take backup of the current project. Okay, then just take backup and click OK, and it will auto migrate these files to androidX. It is saying where the support library is currently used and where which lines and which files we are going to replace. So you have to click on refactor. Now the application has been, I think, migrated to androidX. Let us check the build file. Go to module app, and here you can say wherever there was support libraries, the support word has been replaced with androidX. And here you can see various support libraries as converted to androidX libraries, and the project is migrated to androidX. Thank you for watching.